Good afternoon, traders. This is Rich Derrick from tradesight with the preview for next Monday's trade. The overall design of the market today has been just kind of a measuring day. We finally moved up a little bit in the previous session, and then today's session is really just kind of measuring that off and trying to hang on to those gains. Right now, the ES futures are lower by a fraction, and the NASDAQ futures are up by 4.5 handles. So really no net gain either way, essentially just an inside day. Technically today playing out within the previous day's trading range. The scans here that we're looking at today are kind of paired off. They're a little bit to the sell side, but not really overwhelmingly so. Definitely seeing a couple of pockets of volume, which is good to see for a change. Have a nice big up move going in research in motion. That's trading 14.5% above the open. Moving on to the other sectors. The financials a little bit better to the buy side for sure. They were able to shrug off some pretty good losses that started developing later on in the morning, but they've arrested that slide and are still holding up, getting close to secret exhaustion there on the tool, but not quite yet. The energy stocks, not really seeing too much here. A couple of pops as far as the volume goes. BTU really the weakest one. Definitely weakness in the coal stocks today. You can see BTU is 5% below the open, and Arch Coal ACI is 4.5% below. Market generals are pretty much paired off. Really nothing too much to speak of there as far as leaning one way or the other. Best Buy is having a really nice day. It's 9% above the open on really good volume. That's one of the ones that we took this morning. We took Best Buy long today over the first 5-minute high, and that's working just spectacularly so far. Housing and transports, not really seeing too much there, and the volume is down pretty much across the board. As far as the more commodity-oriented names, not seeing too much there either. One notable thing I did see intraday was oil was fairly weak, down 70 cents, down 90 cents this morning. They've walked it all the way back up here to almost unchanged on the day. So, definitely oil's been better to buy and something to keep on the long watch for next week. So as always, please feel free to leave a comment here. And this has been Rich Derrick for tradesight. Thanks for listening.